Hi guys, I'm Teresa and I'm here to help you speak Czech. As you might know, Czech words contain lots of consonants. Some words have 5, 6 consonants, or some words are even made up completely out of consonants. So these words are quite difficult to pronounce for foreigners, and in today's video you're going to learn some challenging words that are most typical for Czech language. In comparison, you're going to hear some French words where it's quite the opposite. The vowels are quite dominant and some words are made up entirely out of vowels. So we're going to have a Czech and French guy trying to say each other's most challenging words. Here we go.
Hřbitov.
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 Hřbitov. Terš.
Trh.
Tr.
Trh.
Tr. Střeča.
Střecha.
Střecha. Zrc.
Srdce.
Srdce. Skrt.
Skrz.
Skrč.
Skrz.
Skrč. Krk.
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 Krk. Prst.
Prst. Ah, très bien.
Prst. Tři.
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 Tři. Čtyři.
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 Čtvrt.
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 Très bien.
Hrst.
Hrst. Ah oui, oui.
Hrst.
Bois-J.
Bouygues.
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 Ah.
Très bien.
Ouf.
F.
F. Mo.
Mo. Very good.
Inouï.
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 O.
O.
O. O.
Oiseau.
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 Oiseau. Very good.
Oui.
No. Ail.
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 Ah, ail.
Ail.
Joux.
No. Yeux.
Jouet.
Yeux.
Jeu.
Yeux.
Aile.
Ailleurs.
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 Ailleurs. Ouais.
Heureux.
Heureux.
Very good.
Bouilloire.
I don't know this word. Bouilloire.
Bouilloire.
Ah, c'est bouilloire, pardon.
Ah, bouilloire.
Bouilloire.
Yes.
That's it for this video. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below what are the most challenging Czech words for you. Also, if you like this video, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week.
Merci beaucoup.
De rien.
Není zač.
Oui.
Bye bye.